All right, looking for leaves. Still looking for leaves. Maybe she's on the Big Thunder Mountain. Let's go find out. Mining spot. Big Thunder. Yeah. No drinking, fighting, or whistling. No kidding. Okay. Go ahead, guys. Look at the craziness out there. There they are. Woo. Woo-hoo.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Have you seen my wife? No? Like it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on now. Hey, Marshall! Hi, how you? That's it. All right. Okay. Oh, that's good. Oh, that was the Big Thunder Railroad. I was doing. What's going on? We're going back up. Why are we going back up? Hey, look, castle. That's kind of cool. Hey, look, there's a goat. Hi, goat. Hi, goat. How you doing? That was close. All right, hey, it's Big Finding Money Company. Okay. Well, that was Big Finding Money. Going back up again. Why are we going back up again? I thought we were done. First it comes off. Not again. Not again. Not again. Oh, no. Hey, oh. Woo! Yeah! There's the castle. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, well, that was interesting. Okay, and now we're not done yet. Whoa! Look at all that. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Now, I think we're coming to the end of Big Thunder Mountain. Everybody's quiet. We're coming into the station, and we did not find a leaves in sight. We're done.